Hello guys, welcome to this video series on adjectives. In my last video, we talked about the functions of adjective, which is to describe or modify the noun. In this video, I am going to give you the list of suffixes. Suffixes, by the way, are word endings or last part of the word, okay? Which will help you to identify or mark out adjective in the English language, okay? So let's go through that list, and it will definitely help you to add to your grammatical understanding, okay? So let's start. Okay, so first suffix we have full, okay? And any word that ends in full, it means it is adjective, such as truthful, beautiful, delightful, or harmful, okay? Let's move on to our second suffix, and we have IC, and you can read dramatic, athletic, energetic, and emphatic, and these are, for example, the adjective that ends in the IC, okay? It means these four words are also adjective. Okay, now we have able and able, means able or ible, or any word in the English that ends in able or able. They will also be called adjectives, such as capable, undesirable, favorable, forcible, or flexible, okay? Okay, next we have al or ial, and any word that has word ending al or ial, we will call it adjectives, such as we have, for example, personal, abnormal, residential, racial, and social, and these all words are adjectives, okay? Okay, the next suffix or word endings we have ive and ative or ative, okay? Any word that has ive or ative at the end of the word, it means they will also be adjectives, such as selective, inactive, conservative, or provocative. These are for example, and there are many other examples with these for word or these suffixes, okay? Let's move next. Okay, now we have ical. This is quite common suffix. You might have already known about it, such as astronomical, practical, critical, okay? These are three word examples with this suffix, okay? Okay, let's move next. So now we have ish, simply we call ish, okay, such as Spanish, skirmish, boorish, or bookish. So anywhere that ends with ish, it will also be adjective, okay? This is a simple formula. Okay, now we have very common suffix such as the eous, ious, or ous, and there are many thousands of words with the same suffixes, such as erroneous, courteous, notorious, ferocious, enormous, fabulous, okay? So for any word that ends with these three suffixes, they will be adjective in the English language, okay? So let's discuss the next suffix. Okay, now we have less, and this is also very common. Another common example of the suffix is the motionless, tasteless, or homeless, okay? And this also says or refers to the adjectives in the English language, okay? If any word ends with the less. So let's see. Okay, now next we have the y. So simple, if any word has the y at the end, it means it will also be adjectives, such as the tasty, creepy, early, or funny, okay? Alright, and now we have the last suffix. This is simply called ent or ent, and we have the for example of the word that ends with the ent, so the fluent, eloquent, opponent, or obedient. These are the for example that comes with the ent suffix, okay? So here we have the list of suffixes or word endings that will help you to identify the adjectives in English. And I suggest you to establish the list of suffixes in your mind as deep as you can. As I already told you, that if you learn the four major word classes in English, which are adjective, noun, verb, and adverb, you can never fall below the sound bands in IELTS, okay? So learn the rules quite accurately and do not let yourself fall in IELTS. So finally, if you like this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button to receive very important and accurate English and IELTS tutorial. So until next time, goodbye.